Hello friends, Tracy here from Live from the Clearance Aisle. Doing a little organizing today. I'll give you all a sneak peek of the disaster. My cabinets is the cabinets that's above my sink. That's where I keep we keep some medicine and stuff, and that's where we just keep evidently whatever we want. Over there, that's supposed to be where we keep our glasses and our coffee cups. Can you see? Sorry. What a disaster all of that is. So we're gonna get it together today and hopefully make it look a little better. And I'm gonna bring you along while I do. I'm hoping I can get rid of a lot of it. My husband is really the only one who drinks coffee in the house, so does he need all of that? And there's only 2 of us who live here, and we have an abundance of drinking cups, so we're gonna get it together and see what happens. So guys, for some reason we collect, you know, those, I don't know what you call them, but like Yetis and koozies and stuff like that. And so that's really what was on the top 2 shelves right here. So I do get rid of a lot of them. And right now, even as I edit this, I'm debating, do you throw them in the trash? Do you take them to Goodwill? What do you do with them? Because some of them are fairly expensive, and some of them, I don't know. I don't even know how we got half of what we got. But so here I am. I'm just going to try to finish cleaning it out and then start putting some stuff back. So guys, y'all have an abundance of cups and glasses and plasticware like we do. I know we have parades here where I'm from in Louisiana, and we collect cups and then if you go to the local barbecue place, you get a plastic cup and we bring it home and we add it to our drinkware, and it just sometimes gets out of control. So Yeah, it was time to definitely get rid of and throw away quite a few items here. So that's what we're just continuing to do. And then, guys, I get to this point and I'm getting scared that I'm throwing away too much. And so I'm trying to make sure I'm keeping what I should keep and throwing away what I should throw away. It's hard. Why do we do that to ourselves? We're scared to get rid of it because we might, in the very rare chance, might want to use it. I mean, we haven't used it in at least a year or so, you know. But we might want to use it in the next year. So I just, yeah, just keep going and trying to push myself to get rid of what I don't use. Then here I am, I move over to the other side. We have lots of medication. I have lots of vitamins up there that were, when I was going through them, that were expired, so I do get rid of them. My crock pot there is up top, and I keep it there. You know, we just had a mishmash of medicine, and just, I had some jewelry up there. Why? I have no idea. So yeah, I get going on this side, and I get it cleaned out soon. So I had several different bottles of the same medicine, and I just, you know, put it all into one bottle and threw the extra bottles away. My dog, he takes lots of medicine, so I put all the dog medicine in one basket so it would be, you know, easier to find when we needed it. There was some expired doggy medicine. We, of course, got rid of it too. So we just, I just keep on keeping on, and finally I do get to the end of my nightmare here.